Hey food fam, it's October 11th, 2025, and if you googled anything today, you probably spotted something. Steamy. That's right, Google is all about idli. But why this fluffy South Indian icon right now? Stick around as I spill the batter on this delicious doodle. If idli's your jam, smash that like button, let's dive in. First off, feast your eyes on this cuteness overload. Pulled straight from the Economic Times, here's Google's official Idli Doodle. Imagine the Google logo transformed into a pile of piping hot idlis on a banana leaf, surrounded by bowls of fermenting batter, chutneys, and even rice grains dancing around. It's like a mini idli factory exploded in pastel colors. Adorable, right? This visual masterpiece isn't random. It's a full circle nod to how this humble dish gets made. So, why idli on October 11th? Google isn't tying this to a big festival or anniversary like World Idli Day back in March. Instead, it's a heartfelt shout-out to idli's cultural superpowers. Born over 1,000 years ago in South India, shout-out to Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, idli starts as a simple fermented batter of rice and urad dal. That fermentation, it's the secret sauce, literally, for gut-friendly probiotics. Steamed to perfection, it's naturally vegan, gluten-free, and low-cal, a total superfood that's gone global, from Chennai street carts to Chicago brunch spots. Google's celebrating because idli unites. It bridges generations, regions, and even borders with its comforting vibe. Think about it, one bite, and you're transported home, no matter where you are. The doodle highlights this by showing the whole process, grains to steam, plus modern twists like ragi or quinoa idlis. In a world that's anything but simple, idli's easy elegance is the ultimate comfort food flex. Quick idli lore. Historians trace it back to the 6th century, possibly inspired by Indonesian traders bringing fermented rice tech to India. Fast forward, it's not just breakfast, podi coated, fried, or stuffed, idli's endlessly remixable. Health perk, that batter fermentation breaks down carbs for better digestion. No wonder it's a staple for millions. And today, Google's saying, hey world, savor the simple joys. Wanna join the party? Pro tip, soak 1 cup rice plus a half cup urad dal overnight, grind, ferment 8 hours, steam in molds for 10 minutes. Top with coconut chutney and sambar, boom, doodle worthy. What do you think? Does idli deserve more holidays? Drop your thoughts below, subscribe for more. Why today? Explainers, and share this if it made your mouth water. Thanks for watching, stay fluffy, friends.